There are times when you want to wear a backless or a low-cut dress but can't actually try it out because you don't have the right bra to wear underneath. Or simply there is no additional lift to your breast for making you look gorgeous. And it's not your fault at all, because some dresses simply cannot be paired up with any bra available on the market. This is where the breast lift tape comes to your rescue. This tape not only allows you to rock a strapless dress anytime you want, but they also lift and boost the shape of your breast while giving you bra-free support. Now you might be wondering that using a boob tape will be time-consuming and quite the hassle compared to regular bras. But worry no more, because these are quick and easy to use and they don't steal your comfort at all. Keeping all these in mind, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best breast lift tapes just for you. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Bras, which are not comfortable to wear and do not match your confidence level, simply ruin your mood if you have a fun day planned. To get rid of that issue, the ShiningQueen Instant Breast Lift Pasties are a great choice for you, which will enhance your confidence as you step outside. This product has an adhesive breast lift tape with a nude silicone nippleless covers, which lift your breasts quite effectively and give you a natural appearance. The covers come with cotton nipple protectors for maximum user comfort. The silicone is of high quality and a safe option for your breasts and nipples. You can use these breast lift pasties multiple times and they will remain sturdy while staying in place. The product has the color of your skin, so it remains invisible and discreet after wearing. And you can pair it with any outfit to see the difference for yourself. The ShiningQueen Instant Breast Lift Pasties have earned many positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, this product provides great hold and it lifts your breasts quite well. But besides all the positive reviews, some users complain that the product isn't a great option for those with large breasts. It's time to check out the ratings. If you're looking for a product which will keep your breasts full and round while giving them a perfect lift, then the Hiramex Silicone Nippleless covers with breast lift are a great option for you. This product is made of 100% eco-friendly silicone and a nipple protector, which is made of cotton. It comes with a total nipple coverage design and lifts up your breasts for more than 8 hours. The covers keep you comfortable all day long while improving your breast health. It's a premium quality, reusable, and washable product which gives you instant coverage. The covers stay in place and remain discreet, and they're soft and flexible for creating curves of your breast. The product also has a long time adhesion and you can wear them with any outfit you want. The Hiramex Silicone Nippleless covers with breast lifts have earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product is easy to use and remove, and it provides with great lift while the adhesion works quite well even while sweating. But some of the users were not satisfied with the product. Time to check out the ratings. Our next pick is the Brostown Breast Lift Tape, which comes with a great design and a comfortable feature for your convenience. This tape is made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex. It has a non-woven fabric outer surface and a medical-grade silicone lining. The adhesion support of this bra is also of medical grade, providing your breasts with great hold throughout the day. The tape has a universal size and it lifts and shapes your breast just the way that you like. It's a waterproof tape, which is breathable and high stretchy. You can wear it underneath any backless or strapless dress, and it provides you with invisible support and great comfort. The breast tape is also eco-friendly and skin-friendly and is anti-allergenic as well. The Brostown breast lift tape has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it really works. The tape has a good adhesion and it doesn't budge. It's also quite comfortable to wear, but some of the users complained that the tape made them suffer from wounds and pain. Let's rate this product. A weekend out with friends means rocking the dance floor, and if you're worried about an uncomfortable bra strap which keeps ruining your mood every time, then the Epic Elements Breast Lift Tape is a great option that you should consider. This tape is made of cotton and is latex-free, helping to minimize irritation. The fabric is easy to cut and has a strong hold and adhesion, so when you dance on the floor, your body is free while your breasts stay in place. The tape is beige in color, giving you a natural look and a great lift anytime you want. You can wear this tape with any kind of clothing and also apply the tape to your heels or shoes to prevent uncomfortable rubbing. It is breathable and sweat-proof and gives you great shape while being discreet. The breast tape is also hypoallergenic and waterproof, providing you with the ultimate comfort on the go. This product also comes with a free pair of reusable silicone covers. The Epic Elements Breast Lift Tape has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this tape is durable, lasts long, and holds your breast in place perfectly while being discreet. But some users were still disappointed with their purchase. It's time to rate this breast lift tape. The OKELA Boob Tape and Petal Backless Nipple Cover Set is our top pick for today's video, which promises to provide you with a natural look while giving you the best support. This breast lift tape is made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex. It is latex-free and has great stretch and elasticity for ease of use. It's a self-adhesive bra, which is made of non-woven fabric outer surface and a premium silicone lining. On the other hand, the premium quality nipple covers are breathable and hypoallergenic, and they come in a nude color. You can wear this under any backless dress or even your wedding dress, swimsuits, or under your regular wear. The tape pushes up even the heaviest of breasts to give you the shape you desire. This tape is waterproof and breathable, and the nipple cover comes with resist film while being a skin-friendly option. The OKELA Boob Tape and Petal Backless Nipple Cover Set has earned thousands of reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. This product offers great hold and can be removed easily, while it provides comfort on the go, though some users didn't really like the product. So let's check out the ratings. Those were our top 5 best push-up tapes or breast lift tapes. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.